Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up and use Touch ID fingerprint recognition on your OnePlus device, follow this simple guide to configure biometric security for quick and secure unlocking. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your OnePlus phone by tapping the gear icon in your app drawer or notification panel. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Security or Password and Security, depending on your OnePlus model and Oxygen OS version. Step 3. Tap on Fingerprint or Touch ID to access fingerprint enrollment settings. Step 4. You may be asked to set up or enter a backup unlock method such as PIN, pattern, or password before registering fingerprints. Complete this step. Step 5. Tap Add Fingerprint and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the enrollment process. Step 6. Place your finger on the fingerprint sensor, which is typically located under the display or on the power button, depending on your OnePlus model. Step 7. Lift and place your finger repeatedly as instructed, slightly adjusting the position each time to register different parts of your fingerprint. Step 8. Once the enrollment is complete, you can add additional fingerprints if desired by repeating the process. Step 9. Test the fingerprint unlock by locking your screen and using your registered finger to unlock the device. Step 10. Customize fingerprint settings by enabling features like quick launch apps or payment authentication in the fingerprint settings menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.